All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. Thank you first to DDN, longtime partner of ours, George Jones, with the invite. Thank you so much. We really appreciate the opportunity. My name is Brendan McGinty. I lead the industry program at NCSA, the National Center for Supercomputing Applications, University of Illinois, at Urbana-Champaign.
I'm Subhash Srinivasan. I'm the program manager with NCSA Industry. I oversee a lot of partners, understand what services they want, and deliver it to them based on what is available in NCSA and the university.
So in short order, we're going to go over a little bit about our program and how we work with DDN. So let's go ahead on to the next slide. We've been doing this for a long time. We specialize within an academic environment in industrial high-performance computing. A little bit different environment. We need to work at industry pace. A lot of their data is massive. Storage, you can imagine, is key. We've been doing this for 30 years. And so this is some of the area that we work in across domains throughout the entire university. But we operate essentially as corporate consultants with some partners that are on the next slide. I think the thing to note here is the diversity of sectors, all requiring different storage needs, if you will. Think about pharma, healthcare, oil and gas or energy, financial services, agriculture. We work with some of the biggest companies in the world, and when it comes to on an academic campus, we're the largest program of its kind reaching out to industry in the world. And so we have access to a lot of companies here, but also historically, same sort of thing. Since 1986, we've worked with starting in modeling and simulation, and then you can see, again, the vast array of kinds of sectors in which we work. So we've been working at this for over 30 years as a program, but also with DDN for quite a while. Suba?
Yeah, DDN has been a partner with NCSA for 16 years. We started in 2003. It was a collaboration on the Intel Tungsten cluster. It was a 1280 node cluster, and DDN took over charge and installed the first large-scale Lustre file system of 140 terabytes of storage. And it also ranked the top 4 in the top 500 list in 2003. That's when we started a relationship with DDN. And now, in 2019, we have more than half of NCSA's storage is backed by DDN. And not only do we provide storage solutions for them, we also partner with them on some large-scale projects. Rolls-Royce, a manufacturing company, is a partner of ours for many years. And they, with DDN, worked with us on a NASTRAM, a finite element analysis program, which has very data-intensive codes. And as you can imagine, it takes a lot of time to convert between memory and cache for processing. And we work with DDN and IBM file server system, and we could seamlessly do the workloads. And we won the top supercomputing achievement in HPC Awards in 2014. So we have a long history with DDN. And what does the industry program do? We operate a specialized cluster called iForge. It is what we like to call a boutique cluster. It has 4 different platforms for all our partners to use. Each one is specialized. Some of them have high memory, some of them have larger cores. So depending upon your workloads, you can customize and operate it. And along with this comes a huge consulting team. If you have a manufacturing and simulation problem, if you have genomics, if you have data analytics, we have support from scientists who publish in top leading journals and are collaborating with NSF grants and NIH grants. They work with us and we provide solutions to companies. The storage arrays in NCSA right now, we have about 24 petabytes capacity in NCSA and for the industry program specifically. And it's all SFA block appliances and all EDR InfiniBand as well. We also provide 11 petabytes of PHI, protected health information data, housed within NCSA. It's in a secure place called the Health Enclave that we have built exclusively to handle health data. And those have SEDs in them. Finally, so we have varieties of partners. We have people coming, partners coming, companies coming in from manufacturing, from digital ag, from oil and gas and energy, from finance, from healthcare. You can imagine they all have common problems. They have a lot of data. They want to analyze them. They want to make insights into them and increase their ROI. So we provide solutions for them, and the solutions could be how do you house the data, where do you store the data, and what type of compute would be appropriate, what type of analytics would be useful for your problem. Those are custom solutions we do, and we work very closely with DDN. And that's the end of our presentation. Happy to answer any
Short and
questions.
sweet. Thank you. Thanks very much.